जब से मैं उससे मिला हूँ, शी इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल, चेहरे से ही नहीं, सीरत से भी, एंड शी गॉट अ गोल्डन हार्ट। मेरे न मिलते ही, बात करते ही मुझे ऐसा लगा कि लाइक रियली शी इज़ मेंट फॉर मी, और हम एक दूसरे के लिए बने हुए। और शादी से मैं भागा करता था हमेशा, बट आई थिंक यही एक लड़की है जिसने मुझे शादी के लिए, या फिर डेस्टिनी हमारी ऐसी थी कि आपस में हम इस मुकाम पे, और आज साथ हैं हम लोग।
The best thing about Irfan is that he's very caring, he's very loving, and he's very brainy and intelligent too. So whenever I fail in something, he is always up for me to fix things up. And the best experience is the first time I looked into his eyes, I found that I felt very contented. I don't know what I find in his eyes, that was the most beautiful thing I find in my life, I have found till now. And over time, everything, the love has grown. I see him as a perfect person. I have never met such a perfect person in my life. Earlier it would have been obviously my father or my nephew, but if we come up like presently, what is it? He is the most perfect person I have ever met. He is the actual man I wanted to be with. And we have had a very good journey. He gets confused, I get confused. We both are confused. So when it comes to buying something, I ask him, he asks me, and then we end up doing something that we want. And he loves when I cook for him. He often says that he finds a mother in me. And he's very nice. He is, I don't know how he got his qualities, where he got the qualities from, whatever is in him. For me, I think he's the most perfect person I have ever met, and I really feel blessed to have him in my life. Overall, he does things with perfection. He's very organized, maybe more organized than me. There is only one difference between us, he would get angry and I wouldn't. So now he doesn't get angry anymore. That is the thing that he overcame. Because that was the first thing I asked him. He asked me what if I want. I said don't get angry. So he doesn't do that now. And we have had lots of good experiences, some of the funny experiences as well. And sometimes I get stuck on him. Be it while eating, be it while walking, or be it while we are shopping something. For me or for him, I don't know what it is. There is something in his eyes. And I don't know, I have never had such experience in my life, but when I see it now, I find I don't know what. And that was the first thing that made me meet something like my soul found peace. And whenever I feel I'm not feeling good, I look into his eyes. We have a good session like that, and usually we used to build a good eye contact. I look at him, he looks at me. Maybe it looks more like filmy type lagega, but it happens to us. We build up an eye contact and it goes on for hours. So it's a good thing.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. and more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
मैं बारिश हो जाऊंगा, तुम बादल हो जाओगी। देख लेना, देख लेना, इतना तुमको चाहूंगा, तुम पागल हो जाओगी। देख लेना, देख लेना, कहता है सुन ये धूप किनारा तेरा हुआ, मैं सारा का सारा। देख लेना, तेरे होठों पे हमेशा मैं हंसता ही रहूंगा। देख लेना, देख लेना, भीगी जो तेरी आंखें, आंखों से मैं बहूंगा। देख लेना,
दिल तो है हर सीने में, है प्यार लेकिन मुझ में सबसे ज्यादा। देख लेना, अपनी लकीरों में मैं लिख लूंगी खुद ही तुमको, है मेरा वादा। देख लेना,
कहता है सुन ये धूप किनारा तेरा हुआ, मैं सारा का सारा। देख लेना, तेरे होठों पे हमेशा मैं हंसता ही रहूंगा। देख लेना, देख लेना, भीगी जो तेरी आंखें, आंखों से मैं बहूंगा। देख लेना, आँख तेरी आँख तेरी इतनी हंसी के इनका आशिक मैं बन गया हूँ। मुझको बसा ले इनमें तू।
सोचते हैं मेरे बारे में? How do you feel right now? How do you feel?
Feel blessed to be by your side.
But I feel like I am blessed.
We both are blessed.
Really? बहुत
Okay,
अच्छा
what
लगा।
is the best thing about me?
Your heart,
And
your love.
did you tell anybody what I did on your birthday?
Yeah,
What did I do
that
for your
was
birthday?
the सबसे अच्छा बर्थडे रहा है मेरा लाइफ का, सबसे अच्छा बर्थडे. And she wrote a long poems for me.
How many points?
I think more than 6-7, right? और केक, not chocolate, coffee cake.
Coffee cake.
For me?
Because he loves coffee. So I was thinking what to get for him because I did not know him properly that time. So I thought of getting a coffee cake, but ultimately he said coffee cake कौन लाता है? Who gets the coffee cake?
और सबसे मज़ेदार बात है हमने वो पार्क में रात के करीबन शाम के 7-8 बजे.
Yeah, actually on his birthday I had planned a yacht, but then I left from office. It was very late. So what I did, I collected the cake because of traffic jam. I had to walk and I had to run. Then I got all the stuff, the cake, the gifts, everything. I kept it in the park and I told him, "Can you come to the park?" And when he came, I gave him a surprise.
That was the best.
And his name was not written on the cake. I call him Thula.
Thula
Thula means egg.
अंडा,
Yeah.
चूजा. देखो, she called me चूजा. huh?
Yeah, and I had got the magic candles. He was blowing it and it was not happening. So ultimately I had to do it on my own.
Like काफ़ी साल के बाद मैंने कोई बर्थडे मनाया होगा, otherwise I never. और
And what about the handmade card?
cards, she's very creative. Poems, cards, बहुत सारे अच्छी बातें मेरे लिए उन्होंने अपने हाथों से लिखा हुआ था. And she gifted me all so many, and still I have it, and probably I'll be having it for life. और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि ये जितनी ब्यूटीफुल दिख रही है उससे कई ज़्यादा इसका ब्यूटीफुल हार्ट है. I can guarantee that
How can you guarantee?
because I have seen that.
Can you stamp it? Can you get your paper and stamp it?
I've already stamped it on
what?
निका पे कर दिया ना.
But you did not sign it yet, no?
I already signed.
You signed one.
Oh, are you saying I still have an option?
You don't have any option. You want to have an option.
Never, never. She's perfect. What do you get for me?
Lots of love. And the best thing about us is every day what I do is I ask him, whom do you love the most? He says you. Who is your princess? You. What will you get for me? Frutella. Frutella is a toffee.
And she loves Frutella.
So every time he says, when he doesn't say na Frutella, he says I will get you lots of love,
Candy.
lots of candies, lots of chips and Frutella.